Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you what's on my iPhone. So I've recently switched over from an Android. As you know, I was an Android user. I'm still trying to get the hang of this iPhone, but I just want to show you what I have on it so far. Right, so when you open the first widget, we have my fun heart. So it basically say never give up, great things take time, be patient. When you open it, there is so many different fonts you can choose from for your phone, stuff like that. Right, so the second thing we have is just my calendar, and for this as well you can also customize it to anything you want to use of your choice, just like that. See, so you basically see it change from what I had first to this one, but I actually like my black and white. So set widget and set as new widget. That's it. It didn't change, but we'll fix that soon. Right, so the next thing that I have is Snapchat. I won't open that, and then we basically have the calendar again. I have my photos, I have WhatsApp. I won't open that because I have like private messaging. We have like Apple News. Basically can keep updated on all Apple stuff. Then we have Netflix. You have my Netflix here. Then we have YouTube. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Just go and hit that subscribe button. Your girl is at 289 and we're trying to hit 300 by the end of February. That's right. Yeah. Right, so then we have Slack. Slack is what I use for work, to message like clients, stuff like that. Right, then we have TikTok. Your girl is also on TikTok, so don't forget to follow me. Yeah, so your girl's on TikTok. Right, and then we have like my reminders, just to remind me like stuff to do, etc. And then we have Instagram. I'm also on Instagram. It's Kdrionmua. So remember to follow me. I am always on Instagram, so I always respond to any DM that you guys send. And I have like my clock. This is what I used to set like my alarm, and we can do like the world clock. It tells us time in different countries, stopwatch, and or timer. Right, then when we go over to the other side, we have, this is what I call my pink theme. Right, so yeah, so the motivation for today is to trust yourself. You've survived a lot and you survive whatever is coming, by Robert Hugh. So I have like daily motivation to keep me going. So each day it changes into something different. So this one says, don't change yourself so that other people will like you. Be yourself so that the right people will love you. And that's on point, period, boo. Like, don't change for anyone. Just be you. The right people will love you no matter what. Right. So now let's go on to our app store. This is basically where you can download apps, stuff like that. We don't need to go into that. We have like my calendar. I use this a lot, so yeah. Right, then we have my photos. I won't go into that. We have the normal settings for iPhone. We have Audiomack. Audiomack is where I go to listen music and stuff like that. You can see where I'm listening to Doja Cat now. Yeah, but we don't want to get copyrighted, so. And then we have, as I told you, my reminders. We have my mail. We have Amazon. which I need to get off Amazon. Like, I shop a lot on Amazon, like a lot. But yeah. And then we have Facebook. I don't really use Facebook. Then we have Google Drive. I use this for work, so I won't open that. We have Maps. And this is basically like, yeah. And then we have font art. Font art is what I use for my theme. And then we have Messenger, which is connected to Facebook. And we have Total AV. Total AV is what I use for work. So yeah, so just ensure that everything is up to date. My web shield is off. That's why you're seeing this arrow there. So if you want an antivirus for your iPhone, I recommend using Total AV. It's really good, and not just because it's my work. I'm not getting paid to promote this. But yeah, now we have the normal Safari browser. We have our compass, You can see I don't use that. So yeah. Right, then onto this page. This page is just everything else that I didn't want to be customized. So we have like translate. You can see that I haven't set that up, so I haven't used that. And then we have Pick Life. This is what I use for my editing. So I use Light Leap, Facetune, Body Tune Editor, Beauty Plus, PixArt. These can be used to edit like thumbnails as well for YouTube or Instagram pictures. Then we have productivity. This is what I use for work, so I won't open these files. And then we have game ed. Yes, I'm a game ed. So these are basically my games. We have Need for Speed, No Limit, PUBG, Temple Run 2, Ludo, Grand Hotel Mania, Solitaire, The Sims, Driving School Simulation, and Uno. Those are just some of my games. And then we have YouTube, what I use for YouTube, like editing my videos. I have iMovie, YouTube Studio to keep track of your replies and to see if anyone's watching my videos, stuff like that. Just the basic analytics of YouTube. And we have CuteCut Pro as well. I also have Lifestyle. I do use this, as you see my motivation is in it. My shortcuts, Find My iPhone is also on. I recommend turning this on if you have an iPhone. So if your iPhone get lost or stolen, it's easy to find it. And then we have Shopaholic. Yeah, so this is my shopping. Yeah, this is where your girl goes together to get some fine clothes. So we have Wholesale 7, Shein, Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Things. I recently deleted a few. So I had like lovely wholesale on it and stuff like that. Then we have FaceTime, which I don't use. My digital app is where I use to like add data on my phone or to check my megabytes. And then my files, my contacts, Gmail, which is for both work and personal, Hangouts, the Scotiabank app, Messenger, Hello Food, which is where I ordered food, Rocket Chat, which is for work, and my notes. And then we have like everything else. So this is basically what's on my iPhone. It's not all that. It's just very simple, but it's very me. So just basic and nothing too hard. And when you drag down the top, you just basically see like the song that I was listening to, my volume, how I can turn up and turn down my phone. You can use this to flip your screen, my notes, my battery, camera, calculator, flashlight, and stuff like that. Nothing too hard. And then when you go to the right, you just have some more widgets, which I don't use. It's currently telling that my phone is at 55%, and my map and stuff like that. So yeah, this is basically what's on my iPhone, guys. As you can see, it's not a lot, but yeah, that's just me. But I hope you enjoyed this simple video. A lot of you guys requested to see what's on my new phone, so I did what you guys wanted. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Hit the thumbs up bell so you can always be notified. and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.